How to record WhatsApp calls. In this video, let's find out if you can record WhatsApp calls. The first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on the three dots and select settings. Over here, as you can see, there's no option to record WhatsApp calls, which means that this feature is not inbuilt in WhatsApp itself. However, if you want to record WhatsApp calls, there are some workarounds. The first one is if there is a built-in screen recorder on your device, then you can simply use that. This can be used in both Android and iPhone. But remember that not all devices support this due to privacy restrictions. Another way is you can use another device. Place another phone or recorder nearby, start a WhatsApp call, use the second device's voice recorder app to capture the conversation. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.